Okay guys, this is a quick review of probably the cheapest first aid kit I could find on Amazon. Definitely not recommended for like a 72-hour kit or anything like that. This is more like something you'd put in your glove box in your car. Or maybe something for home, light duty, you know what I mean? This is basically what it looks like. Take it out. This thing is tight in here. Give me a minute. Okay, hopefully you got a half decent view there. Okay, so we got two things of Q-tips. Half decent quality. Very little tape. I'm thinking this is supposed to be for like someone's bleeding out, you can use this as a tourniquet, I guess. Bunch of pins. This looks like bandage, triangular bandage or gauze. Emergency blanket. That's good to have if you're in a car. You get stuck somewhere and it's cold. Antiseptic towelettes, medical scissors. Yeah, not too sure what that is, but it's got some kind of mouth thing in the baggie. Bandages, lots of bandages. Lots of bandages. Got some thick ones. And more sterile gauze that you need. Definitely need those. First aid kit. That'd be a manual. If you need to read the manual, then you probably shouldn't even have a first aid kit. More gauze. Towelettes and wipes. Antiseptic towelettes. I'm gonna guess this is saline. Yeah, it says eye wash. It's basically saline. Tweezers. And more gauze. I think the most important part of this this whole thing is the bandages and the gauze. The rest is garbage to me, but whatever. Oh, this one here could use that too. But the rest of it is pretty much, in my eyes, a filler. But I mean, for $29, it's not bad. That's basically what you get. This definitely, because it has a solar blanket, this would be good for the car. You know, if you gotta stay warm or whatever. Anyway, take it easy, guys.